everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, today is such an exciting day for me. I absolutely can't wait. I don't know what I'm going to call this video yet, but you guys have probably already seen it. So this video is kind of like a day in the life, but let's be real, I'm not doing this every single day. Like, I'm not. This is a once. This is my first time doing something like this anyway, but today I'm so excited. Me and Lauren are heading into Liverpool. We're shooting some content for Instagram, and then we're going for some yummy food, and then we're going to do some shopping, and then I'm not going to say an influencer event because I'm not an influencer. I don't have the followers and I just don't really like that word, but I am going to say a content creator event because I post regular on YouTube. I'm trying to post regularly on Instagram, so I enjoy creating content, and that's what I would call myself. If you don't agree, that's fine, but I'm going to a content creator event. Like, I can't believe this is reality right now, and it's with The Body Shop, so I'm literally so excited to go. And probably half of you guys ain't even interested in this, but I just wanted to document this day just for me, because little old me is going to like a little event and I absolutely can't bloody wait. I'm so excited, I can't believe it. So it's gonna be a good day. I woke up at 8:30 this morning. If you guys know me and you're not new to this channel, I'm not an early morning kind of girl. I'm the kind of girl that wakes up at 1:30 in the afternoon, you know what I mean, wasting that whole day. And today is the change of that. I'm now a morning girl. I'm becoming a morning girl. I think it was just the excitement that woke me up this morning. Had a cup of tea, watched all the lots, and now I'm ready. I'm raring to go. So I'm going to get ready. I'm wearing one of my favourite outfits I've ever created. And I actually took it to Paris with me and wore it around in Paris, but I didn't get to wear it because we didn't, well, I did wear it, but I didn't get to take a photo in it because we didn't get time. But I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna set off, and I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna get ready now. So this is the outfit. I'm gonna do like a full outfit check when I'm with Lauren. I am in a rush, like always when I film videos. I don't know why I'm always in a rush, and then when I'm not filming I'm absolutely perfect for the time. But anyways, I need to pop my boots on and then I'm heading into Liverpool. Best believe, you know, people are going to be staring at me at the train station, but it's all good. I am in a rush, so I'll show you this when I get back, but I've literally been sent this as PR off Glossy Bots, and it's like a self-love box. I absolutely love that. I've not had time to look at it proper. My mum's just quickly, hello Cleo, look at you getting down the stairs on your own. But anyways, enough about a Cleo. My mum just quickly looked at it, and I'll show you everything that's in it in a bit. I can see a mask, I can see some other bits. I can't believe I've been sent this. Oh my god, I've literally just been sent it then. I'm absolutely buzzing. Wow. Thank you, Glossy Bots. It's even got like a mirror in it and everything. I'll proper show it you later on because I've not got the time to look in it, but I really want to look in it right now because it looks absolutely beautiful, but I've not got the time. So I'm here with Lauren. Say hi, girl. Hey. Doesn't she look fab? We'll do a little outfit of the day details soon, but this is where we're shooting because we literally can't find anywhere. Like, this is the vibe.
This is fine for here. It's only when you stand.
It's literally like the wind is so bad, and we wanted to do it like down there, but the cars are in the way.
Do you think the bag or not? Do some of the bags?
Yeah, we'll do a bit of both. So I'm going to do a little time lapse. I'll put a picture in my Starbucks top. Oh my god, it was so cute. I love that. But anyway, we're going to shoot some photos now. And once we've shot some photos, we can like be calm, be cool. We'll be fine once we've got some photos, won't we, Lauren?
We will.
So yeah, that's what we're going to do. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, well. Slay them with the Let me do it on this side because I don't want that while you're in there. Now it's time to get some content for me. hopefully get some good ones. Lauren's got some good ones, so hopefully it's going to turn out well. We just need this wind to bloody die down. I am happy because I got a really nice photo. Thank God. I thought the wind was going to spoil it. When it comes to posing, I am absolutely shit. I'm not sure if you know, but I'm so bad at it. Like, I don't know what to do. Our food is here. So I'm a plain bitch. So Lauren, what did you get?
Salt and pepper wings, spring rolls and food fries.
I just got normal fries, egg fried rice, and these duck things that I'm actually trying for the first time, so I am proud of myself. So we are trying something new, but the rest is literally like plain Jane. So I actually bought nothing today, but Lauren bought quite a few bits. Look what she got! It's literally stunning. The back is gorgeous. You're gonna slay in that on Instagram. I've actually posted on Instagram now. Here are the photos that I got. If you want to go check out my Instagram, please do. Lauren's also posted, so I'll put her little Instagram here. And go like and comment on our photos. So me and Lauren have just come to the event now. Kind of nervous, aren't we?
Kind of nervous, kind of scared.
Kind of excited, kind of nervous. But we're just kind of waiting for it to start. We don't really know what to expect. We've been talking to a few people and stuff, and we still don't know what we're really doing, but I guess we'll find out.
What's your pledge?
I'm gonna shop on Depop. Is Depop good?
Depop and Vinted, yeah.
Depop and Vinted.
Depop's a lot more expensive than Vinted, but
Yeah, it is. It's my name on there. Oh, that smells good. Just thinking.
oh, look at that glowy skin.
All my things done.
She's vibing.
We're gonna, oh my god, my skin really is glowing. We're gonna put some stickers on ours. Lauren, what did you get?
The ginger shampoo. Oh my god,
Yeah, you're on it. I won this badass. That's really cool. Badass. This is my website. Look at me, a little YouTuber at times. And we'll pop that up there. Oh, I've not put it on good. What was that other one? Will you get one of them off? Oh no, I want one of these. I want a self-up one. Can you get that? That's cute. I get it off with my nails. Cute. Look at this one. I can't say it. It's all self-love. There we go. There's mine all done. Cute. So I am home now. The event was literally so good. I'm so grateful to have gone. I mingled and met loads of new people, which is really cool, that are literally from around Liverpool, so that was really cool. But like I promised you this morning, my feet, before we get into this, my feet, guys, I couldn't vlog anymore. Like walking, we went out of the event and then we literally just walked back. I was at the train station. I literally had to get Nathan to pick me up because I was in so much pain, like my feet, because I was in them heel boots all day. I'm not a heel girl anyway, but I've literally been in them from about 12:30 from today, and it's now, I've just took them off 12:30 till 11:05. I don't know how I've done it. My feet are in agony. But anyways, enough of that. Before we end the video, I don't know who this is from. I know it's from Glossy Bots, but I don't know why I've been sent this, but I have. It literally came today. How is perfect is that for this video? Anyways, I have got a Mackey's lying there if you can't already see it, so I am gonna speed this process up a little bit. And it's like this like women body positive kind of vibe, and I just think that's so beautiful to have done this anyway. So it's got Perfectly Imperfect. I literally can't believe I've been sent a glossy box as PR. Like, Jess is coming up in the world, clearly. But the first thing I noticed was this really cool mirror, this mirror feature. I'm going to peel this off. And you can literally, I'm going to take it out. You can take it out and literally use it as a mirror, which I will do because it's so cute, and it literally says you are beautiful, and then it says it in other languages as well. And that was just like a little feature within the box, which I think is literally so cute of them to do that, because it's like you are beautiful and you're looking at yourself. That's so cute. Anyways, then we have a little sticker pack that I absolutely love, because we know I will be adding this to my collection. Absolutely love a good sticker pack when I order stuff, but I didn't order this, but you know what I mean. And then, oh my god, some of the stuff, I have already had a little peek, I'm not gonna lie. I did just have a look with Nathan, he's just got a second left of what I got, so I'm going to quickly go over what I got. So I got this, and I do have a smaller version of this, but I think it's like, I'm going to get it out real quick because I want to see how big it is. Oh yeah, it's way bigger than the one I have, so it's like for scrubbing your face and stuff, but I'll actually use this for my body as well. These are so good for exfoliating your face and stuff like that. So if you haven't already got one of these, definitely recommend getting one. But I'm literally so grateful that they sent me one of those. That is really nice. Okay, so we have this. I think I know what it's called. What is it called? It just says silicone rubber. But you know the vibe. You get what it is. I'll pop that up there. And then we have, I absolutely love these. You know, the eye patches for under your bags. I'm going to be real, I don't actually think they work on me. I'm not sure if they work on anyone, but I don't think they work on me. I think it's more for puffy eyes. I don't think it's actually for eye bags. But I got the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye patches, which is like so cute. Like, guys, I literally can't believe I've been sent this. Like, what the heck? And then, something that I'm really excited about, I'm trying to get into makeup more, so I'm a bit... a lot of people ask me why I don't wear makeup and stuff like that. Like, loads of people are lovely and say I don't need it, which I'm not a big fan of makeup. I do like light little makeup, like I do like the glossier brow stuff, and I do like a bit of mascara, but it's because I can't like do it properly. But I kind of want to dive into it a bit more this year, and I love a bit of blush. I have a Dior blush, but I need to buy another brush because I lost it. And I literally have been sent the Sophia and Maybell We're Blushing Creamy Blush Stick. I'm literally so excited about this. It's something new for me. I'll show you what it looks like really quick. It's literally so exciting. Oh my god. Today's just been such a good day. Like, I'm so grateful for today and everyone I've met and everything I've done. I'm not grateful for my sore feet, but this is what it looks like. It's got like a, you see that? Like the shimmer on it. Let's have a look. Oh damn. She's rosy. I can't wait to try that out actually. I do need to get like a little brush then. Then pop that back up there. And then we got a coffee scrub. An exfoliating coffee scrub. This is from mine tan.body.skin. This is what it looks like. And then I think we've got one more. Yeah, I've actually already received this once in a Look Fantastic box, and I actually haven't used it yet, so I'm yet to use it. So I actually might just give this one to my mum. But it's a exfoliator. And this is what it looks like. Who's it by? Balance Me. I think that's the brand's name. Yeah. And that's what I got in my Glossy Box. I just want to say, whoever sent me this, I'm guessing it's Glossy Box. I'm not sure if Look Fantastic has partnered up with Glossy Box. I don't know, because I didn't get told I was being sent this. It just came with my name on. How excited. So I don't know if Look Fantastic have partnered up with Glossy Box, or Glossy Box has literally just sent me this, because I don't pay for the prescriptions or anything. Prescriptions. You know what I mean. But if you don't already know, I do have a Look Fantastic code that you could use in store to get you cash off, and it really helps me out. So if you are shopping on Look Fantastic, use it, 'cause why not? But I just want to say how grateful I am for you watching this video, and how grateful I am for the day that I've had today. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I wish I could do that a lot more often. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday for another video. Bye!